Hello guys, good afternoon. This is Bruce from China, from Motorised Bike. Now we are outdoors with this chopper bike. Well, it's like sort of naked in here because it's too hot, and it's about 6-7 in the afternoon. So the the beautiful sunset. It was beautiful, like 2 hours early, like that. I prefer sunset to sunrise. Sunset, that means that's the end of something. Anyhow, now this is a bike which we are going to see my brother. We have the bike, 20 units of them in stock, 20 units of them, and 48 cc of a displacement. All right, 2-stroke engine, very old-fashioned. Basically, it's a chopper bike. The front tire 26-inch, the rear 20-inch. So the seat, the tank. Alright, if you happen to be interested, please feel free to let me know. Bye bye.